Okay, this is the second part of the lesson. You could be in a small group with me. You could also just be doing this independently at home and checking your work. This is your last name, your first name, class period. We're doing guided practice number 2. Blair can make 6 dozen cupcakes in 2 hours. How many dozen cupcakes can she make if she has 4.5 hours to bake? So I'm going to look at this first sentence, and I'm going to determine the two things that are being compared. And it is cupcake dozens, pardon my writing, dozen per hour, okay? I can't write cupcakes per hour because a dozen cupcakes is 12. I'm really dealing with dozen cupcakes. And so now I want to set up my proportion, which would be 6 dozen for 2 hours should equal the same ratio as if she has 4.5 hours. So since hours is on the bottom, I got to keep the 4.5 as the denominator on the bottom as well. We don't know how many dozens she can make. Now that I've set up my proportion, which is what it says to do in step 1, I can solve for x. 2 times cross multiply, 2x equals 6 times 4.5. 6 times 4.5. Well, let's see if I can go off to the side and do that problem. 0, 3. 4 times 6 is 24, plus the 3 is 27. And then I get a decimal point. That sounds like a lot of cupcakes. I question this. Oh, because I still have to divide it by 2. So 27 equals, sorry for that, 2x. But you'll notice I was doing this problem and I was forgetting about the 2x. So now I have 2x equals 27. In order to solve, I have to divide both sides by this 2 so that I can isolate the variable of x. X then equals 27 divided by 2, which is 13.5 dozen. Okay, so that is our answer. We will type 13.5 dozen and then check it. 13.5 dozen. Oops, spelled dozen, right? And hit submit. Let's see if I'm correct. I am correct. So therefore, if you got that answer right, you're good to go.